Well, folks, I came back to this spot here again. It's the second time here. I'll get a better look at this bottle I found last time. I left here. Got that W and M embossed on it. It's blown in a mold. It looks like an applied lip on it. You can see that. Yep. There's the seam comes up this way. Can't see it there probably due to the lighting, but it comes up, ends right under this lip there. So I'm going to scrape around a little bit more. There could be some really old stuff here. Once again, this location is against these rocks, and in front of them, as mentioned before, they like to throw their debris against rocks and around rocks for whatever reason. So anyways, I'll let you go and I'll get you back up on the next find. Well, check this out, folks. It's a little stubby mason jar. This golden state. Patented December 20th, 1910. There's some more information on the bottom. Let's see here. Bensound. Cool. It's awesome. Nice find. Keeper. Alright, on to the next. Check that shard out, folks. That would have been nice. Big cobalt blue cork top. Look how big that is. Shame that's broke. Alright, on to the next. Check this one out, folks. It's so tiny, I could have broke that so easy with my shovel. It's a wonder I didn't. It's got a glass top stopper and wand in it. Oh man, nice. There's no embossing on the bottle. Something on the bottom. Blue Waltz or something it says. Probably a perfume. Cool. I hope I can get that open without destroying it. Catch you on the next one. Check it out, folks. Would have been a Rexall hair tonic bottle. It's still got the cork on the top of it. And it had like a metal crown on the top. What that piece there is. Hard to tell from here, but it's kind of cool. Anyways, catch you in a bit. Okay, folks, this could be the best find of the day. Right here. You can't see it, it's in the shadows. Looks like a cobalt blue. Yep, it's a cobalt blue poison. The only problem is, it's a screw top. Nonetheless, I will take that for sure. Love it. Yep. Nice find. Right on. See if this green one's anything down here. Nope, just a green bottle. Slick. Okay, catch you in a bit. Hey folks, I got what looks to be a milk of magnesia here. It's a screw top, but I'm going to haul her out. If it's all together, I'll probably keep it. Yep, it's all together. I don't drop it on these rocks. It's the Windsor, Ontario version. Cool. Another milk of magnesia for the collection. Right on. Check this here out too. I just popped out of there. Shorts from the 40s, but salt or pepper shaker, but it's got grapes etched onto the edge of it, onto the sides of it here. I'm gonna keep it. That should clean up all right. Cool beans. All right, onward. Hello folks, hope everybody's doing well. I'm back with the recap. Got everything all cleaned up. I'll try to skip through this pretty quick. I got 5 milk of magnesia bottles. They're all from the 1930s, early 1940s. I can tell because they got all this writing down at the bottom here. And they're all the Windsor, Ontario variant. In the late 1940s, they changed the bottle style to like this. See, there's no writing down at the bottom, so. These ones are late 1940s. Ones with the writing are before that. Okay. We got a metal lid. It's a snap-on. I haven't got anything that size to try it. I got an ink. This one here, I thought was an embalming fluid, but it's just got that tiny opening in it. And I'm pretty sure it's a hair tonic bottle, and I'll be trashing that. Got a cork top, machine made, big one. Nothing really special about it, probably from the 1930s. Everything here is from the 1930s except for a couple items. And this here is one of them. Got the patent date of 1910 on it. It's got real heavy embossing on it. It's thick embossing. And it's probably from the 20s or 1915, somewhere around there. It's a nice one. It's a little stubby. Next, we got this blue Waltz perfume bottle, and it's probably from early 1930s. 1931, you could buy this for $1, and apparently it smelled like Johnson's baby shampoo. So that would have been nice. We got a Vicks Vatronol amber one. First time I got an amber one. This little cork top here with the embossed measurements on the side. Machine made. Date on it's 1933. This is a nice find here. It's a salt shaker. It's got the offset seam, which would indicate early 1900s. Got grapes etched onto it and vines. It's got a pinkish hue to it. So I don't know, it could be the manganese in the glass, or it could just be the color of the glass. I don't know for sure. Got a Skrip Ink. It's embossed on the face of it. This is just a slick food jar of some sort. This is a weird shaped bottle. It's still got some wonky cork in it. Dated 1934. We got this nice emerald green one here from 1930. A stopper that threads inside the bottle. Kind of cool. This is a nice find. Probably from the early 30s. Got a Bakelite lid and the glass wand. And it's still all intact. I'm not going to pull it out in case I drop it with one hand and break it. So, anyways, there it is. Nice find. And finally, this little green one here, and on the bottom it has a P inside of a flag for a maker's mark, and that's Pennsylvania Glass Products. And they started in 1932, so sometime after that. So that's everything, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed digging the stuff. I enjoyed every minute of it, even though it's not real old, mostly from the 30s. So I'll catch you all later. Good luck, happy hunting on your outings. Over and out. Hey folks, got you up real quick. I just popped out this multi-sided jar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 or 10 sides on it. It's a Heinz, H.J. Heinz, number 427. See if I can get that focused on there. I'll look that up and see what it contained. Had a snap-on lid. Don't know if I should keep that or not. Anyways, I'll look it up, and if I can find anything out, it might give me a better idea about the date of this little dump site here. Alright, catch you later.